Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So we had a major breakout in the Intables room today with APVO from pre-market at $7.10, jumping out to $22 on the day, over 200% on that breakout. I'm going to go over exactly how this one played out today, what exact levels we are trying to hold above. Again, had a major continuation with LGVN from last week on Friday in pre-market at $3, jumping all the way to $15 going to extended hours. Looking for a continuation, was halted yesterday at about $9, jumping all the way to $46 going to extended hours, over 400% on that breakout yesterday with LGVN. Looking for a possible continuation here with APVO. Again, the market has been reacting to the major runners from the day before. So again, we're going to keep an eye on APVO. However, it has been on quite the sell-off. I'm going to go over exactly which indicators would give us confirmation on a continuation from here. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's move on to this one. So I'm going to go over exactly how APVO played out today and what exactly we are looking for to have a continuation. But I do want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts at the day. Again, we did mention APVO from pre-market at $7.10, jumping out to $22 on the day, over 200% on that breakout. And again, we did mention LGVN yesterday halted at $9.43, jumping all the way to $46 going to extended hours, about 400% on that breakout. Now, we do mention pre-market news before market open every single day, just like we mentioned here with APVO, and LGVN also did mention KTTA this morning on pre-markets news at $3.40, jumping all the way to $8.20 on the day, over 100% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, again, we had that major spike from this morning's pre-market news on their clinical update, jumping all the way to $14, and looking to see if we can continue on past $15 as we did have a major rejection. Sure enough, did cool down, and as you guys can see, we did have that spike in the middle of the day. Did not mention this alert, and sure enough, had this continuation bouncing off the 20 ring average as the 20 was still over the 50. The reason why we did not mention this breakout is because, as you guys can see here on the buy pressure, we did have that decrease in buy pressure at that point in time. And sure enough, we did get that increase in buy pressure just as we were testing this 20 ring average, looking to see if we can bounce off of it. And we did get that increase in buy pressure, broke above our previous buy pressure point, giving us some momentum here and giving us that continuation. And as you guys can see, we did have our continuation sell-off as we did have our increase in sell pressure. And we now do have the EMA lines below the MACD, looking to see if we can get these EMA lines to cross back above the MACD here, as we do have this increase in buy pressure going to extended hours. But however, looking to see if we can hold this level here that we did have our rejections to the upside here, exactly at $13.19 is what I would be looking for. Again, as you guys can see, we came back down. We bounced exactly here at $13.19. As you guys can see, we could not hold the body of the candle above this point here, as we did come up and we got rejected this morning. We did come up in the middle of the day, got rejected exactly at this point, could not hold the body of the candle above $13.19. And as you guys can see, we are getting this bounce going to extended hours, looking to see if we can continue on with this bounce going to tomorrow. Making sure we do hold over $13.19 is going to be very key here. Again, LGVN holding over $12.45 was very key, and then holding over 15 was very key. But here on APVO, we need to make sure we do stay over $13.19 to have a possible continuation. So going into tomorrow, my game plan here with APVO as a possible continuation would just be to look to see if we can get the 20 moving average to cross back over the 50 here on the 5 minute to get back into play. And if we can get the 20 moving average to cross back over the 50 and we can respect this $13.19 mark going into tomorrow, then in my opinion, we could have a possible bounce back, have a possible continuation. Looking to see if we can break over $20 with continuation volume is exactly what I would be looking for here on APVO. Now, as you guys can see, we have been on quite the cool off after the major breakout, so not exactly expecting a major breakout, but we will keep them on the watch as the market has been reacting to the major breakouts from the day before. If we do respect $13.19, we get the 20 moving average to cross back over the 50 and the market stays very choppy, then we will keep this on the watch for major continuation volume. If we do get more confirmation on a continuation here, we will be mentioning this one in the Intables room as always. And again, with that said, if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, you probably know now that most breakouts have been pre-market news in the open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, and all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel from the room, I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. Much love to every one of you guys that have been supporting the channel. And if you guys do like this video, it does help me find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.